Hey guys, welcome to another Malty Monday. We're again doing another selection from our upcoming class online or later this week. That's right. And today we have for you the Leffe Blonde Ale. We do a lot of local beers here on Malty Monday because they're more available, and I generally think you should drink local. But this is a really classic Belgian beer. This is imported from Belgium. If you're in Utah, you can get it through the state DABC liquor stores. It's a classic blonde, and it really shows off I use it in the class because it really shows off what Belgian beer character is all about. If you have to put one thing on Belgian beer, it's about being more yeast forward. You know, a lot of American brewing these days is very hop forward. A lot of English brewing is very malt forward. This is very, very yeast forward, and it shows off the wonderful things you can do with really expressive yeast. So when you smell it, right, you get those wonderful kind of fruity, slightly spicy notes, some esters, some phenols, a really nice, clean, clear malt-based, beautiful beer, right? And then you have these wonderful top flavors coming from the yeast to kind of play with, and they're going to go really fantastic with the cheese that Shaymus has today.
Hey guys, cheese, Ossau Iraty. It's one of our staples out of our cave. It comes from the Pyrenees in France. These get sent to us pretty young, and Antonia, who's our affinus, what she does is she goes through the wills and selects the best ones that basically meet the standard to qualify for our reserve line. Then they get stuck in the cave for an additional 6 months, roughly, give or take. It's really cool though. You get the classic kind of gamey, salty sheep's milk flavor, but with aging it a little bit further, it kind of develops these fudgy, nutty tones to it, which I think is really cool with kind of that funky Belgian yeasty bite that this beer has. And this worked great in our class. People loved it. This is a really cool cheese. It's a staple down here at Caputo's, guys. Come get some. And yeah, check out our beer classes coming up. And if you guys have any suggestions or recommendations for Malty Monday, let us know as well. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, we have a dark beer class in February for Valentine's beer, dark beer and chocolate.
Yeah, 18th?
Yeah, and then a cider class in March again, which is always successful. So
yeah, guys.
Stay tuned.
Cool.